Hey guys, so today I will be reviewing a 69 pesos clip-on bangs that I got from Shopee, and these bangs are actually inspired by Jennie from Blackpink. And also, by the way, 69 pesos in dollars is about $1.43. I'm not so sure if that's the correct calculation, but it's somewhere there. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. The texture of the hair is very soft, and I'm not so sure if this is 100% real hair or if this is synthetic, but it looks really real, and I actually do like the color. This is not black, this is actually dark brown, but somehow it actually matches my hair. And also the quality on how it is knitted right here and the clip, it's actually a good quality. I mean, it's not bad for a $2 clip-on bangs. And also, by the way, you guys, I actually selected this type of bangs because I do like those Korean see-through bangs. And before getting this, I was actually thinking of just cutting my bangs off again. But then I remembered the maintenance of it and how annoying it was when it was time for me to trim it. So that's why when I saw this Jennie from Blackpink inspired bangs, I went ahead and tried it out because it's just 69 pesos anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I think I'm gonna, I can put it right here maybe until there. Oh my gosh. I mean, not bad at all. I think the only thing with this is that the bangs were cut really straight, just like that. I think if it was thinned out, especially right here, I think it would be really good. Wait, hold on. Let me style it and probably cut off like those little hairs that are kind of like blocking my view. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to trim it. And also I like that the clip is actually very comfortable on the scalp. Sometimes there are clips that kind of like punctures your scalp, which is very uncomfortable when you use them long term. I think that's the only thing that I like about clip-on bangs is that I could just use them and then just take them off if I don't want bangs anymore. And I also do like that the ends right there actually blends along really well with my hair. You can't even tell that they're fake. And I actually like that these bangs does frame my face, and also it's not too thick and it's not too thin either. I've seen that Jennie's bangs is actually thinned out rather than being straight like that. So I'm gonna get this area right here and then just trim. I think it looks kind of ish better now. It looks more natural if they're trimmed like this instead of having like a blunt cut. And also the cool thing about this is that if you want your bangs to be more up here, you can just adjust it and clip it more to the back. But for me, I do like it at this length. And it's very easy to style. I'm not so sure if you can curl this. I actually am afraid to curl it because I don't want to ruin it or anything. And also find that some clip-on bangs are actually very hard to style. That's why I was thinking that maybe this is real hair, or maybe it's a mix of real hair and synthetic. Because when it comes to synthetic hair, sometimes it's very hard to style, and when you cut them, it's not cut just like this. They have a tendency to go sideways or to go up. I'm not so sure if I'm explaining myself correctly, but I have with a lot of my synthetic bangs or synthetic hair that I'm playing around before, and whenever I try to style them, usually that is a problem that I encounter. The hair just doesn't lay how you want them, they sort of rebel. But this one is really good. I'm actually impressed. When I first got them, I had really low expectations, okay? Because I was like, okay, that's just 69 pesos. For its price, I'm not gonna complain. But I'm actually very impressed. I did not expect that it would look like this. I mean, I could see myself wearing it. This is what it looks like without the long layers. I just pinned that to the side. It's not bad. I actually kind of do like it as well because at least there's no hair like touching my face right here. You can definitely style this on how you want it to be, and also you can actually cut it even shorter, maybe until here, you know, because the long layers are actually quite long. They reach until here. So maybe if you cut them till here, it would be good as well. So yeah, that is it. I think this is how the K-pop girls quickly change their hairstyle. It's all about hair extensions, wigs, clip-on bangs. That also includes them dyeing their hair. But I really do like how that these little hair pieces can actually change your look almost instantly. And if you don't want them, you could just remove them because, you know, they're not real. So yep, I like it. They're actually worth it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. But yep, that's it. I hope you all like this super quick video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!